Hello, part deuce. Looking for Carlton Fisk. Looking for one more memorabilia card. And there's something shiny right there. So, I don't know what that is. Looks like a basketball player. Oh, motocross mini. And this is a shiny mini of... I can't even see it, it's so damn shiny. Carlton. Steve Carlton, not numbered, but it's shiny. So shiny's good, right? Rookie card, that's what they look like right there. And nothing. Two minis, nothing. And didn't this chick get hit by a pipe of some kind, or who is that? No, it's not her. It's somebody else. Here's my second memorabilia card. That's from Ian Kinsler, I think. Kinsler, yeah. That's what that looks like. Not numbered. So I'm done. That's it. 2 packs left, and nothing else. Nothing else in it. Unless we get some sort of bonus of some kind. And nothing there. And oh, yeah, I wouldn't want to meet him in a dark alley. I think he kills people for fun, just for something to do. He's very scary. And the last pack, we got redemption in there. Basketball player, Ray Sizemore, football player, and redemption for, you may make a reservation for blah blah blah, website Upper Deck, or call blah blah blah. It is a what? Product name 2009 MBL Goodwin's Champions Landmarks. Player name, warning, not intended for children under the age of 12. Was it a small part, or I don't know. Landmarks, dear collector, congratulations. I don't know. But I promise you, as soon as I get it, or find out, as soon as I get it delivered, I will put that up and let everybody know. So that's it. I got one more box to do. Later.